And so he's doing it both at the same time, and he has these people's attention for the entire trip wherever they're going. So that's just, I mean, it's thinking out of the box. But we have been through schooling and whatnot. We've been trained. If I'm 55, you know, the old model, the old manufacturing model, where we get on you know, Ford created it, where we're on a manufacturing line, and that's why we sit in rows in school, and it is what it is. And so we are trained to go 4 years of college, and then maybe after that, and then sit in a cubicle, and you know, everything will be dandy. And more and more we're finding that dream isn't quite what we were sold. But even though we're entrepreneurs, I think, you know, a lot of people that are in business need to open up and say, what do I want to do?